If you've decided to close your ProtonMail account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Step 1. Log in. Visit the ProtonMail website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Accounts section. This is where you will find options related to your account management. Step 4. Initiate account deletion. Scroll down to find the option for account deletion. Click on it and you may be prompted to confirm your decision and enter your password for verification. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. Make sure to read any warnings about data loss before finalizing the process. Once you have completed these steps, your ProtonMail account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember that this action is reversible, so ensure you have saved any important information before proceeding.